In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off high performance mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to click on battery. Then scroll all the way down to select more settings and click on this switcher next to high performance mode to activate it. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. As you can see, high performance is on. To switch it off, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!